Good morning, dear students. This is a grammar class. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of 13th lesson. Our lesson name is present participle. Okay? Look here, dear students. Today we are going to solve one question related with present participles. Okay? First, pick out the present participles from the following sentences and state their function. Okay? First, pick out the present participles and then state their functions. In last period, we had learned the function of present participles. We learned that the functions of present participles. Today, we want to state their functions. Okay. In first sentence, look here. Barking dogs seldom bite. In this example, look here, barking. Barking is a present participle. That means a verb with ing. Present participles means verb plus ing. That is called present participle form. Okay? Barking, dog seldom bite. In this example, barking used as a adjective. Remember this. This barking is used for this dog, and this present participle function as, look here, this barking function as an adjective. Okay? An adjective. Okay? Now the second sentence is here. Look here. The farm featured cowboys fighting for a prize of $1,000. In this example, fighting is a present participle and it functions as an adjective phrase. Okay? Fighting. Look here. Fighting is a present participle and it functions as adjective phrase. Okay? Now the third one is, that is running. Look here. Running down the stairs, she could hear the loud screams. Screams means enjoy. Okay? The running down, that means it gives downside. Okay? Stairs. It functions as adverbally, so that you can write or state the function of this running or present participle. Look here. First write the present participle running. Okay? As a adverbally. Okay? This used as a adverbally, or it function as adverbally. Okay? Now the next one is standing on his head. The clown was juggling 10 balls at one time. In this example, standing used as adverbial. Okay, remember this. It functions as adverb. Okay. Look, first write the standing, this present participle, and then write its functions. That is adverbial or adverbial. Okay. I hope you understood this present participle, the function adverbial, which use as adverb like that. That means that express or give information, more information about the verb. Now the fifth one. You should not be plucking flowers. You should not be plucking flowers from your neighbor's garden. Okay? In this example, the plucking is present participle. You want to write the function of that plucking or present participle. First write that present participle plucking, and then it used as gerund. Remember this. This used as gerund. Gerund means as a noun. Remember this. Okay? Plucking. You should not be plucking flowers from your neighbor's garden. Okay? And plucking is gerund. Now the next one. Spitting is forbidden in public place. It is also used as a noun. Okay? It is verb, but it comes as a subject. Okay? हे क्रियापद असलं तरी कर्त्या म्हणून वापरलेला आहे. Okay? So that it is used as gerund when the verb plus ing or present participle used as a subject, that time we can say that it is gerund. Okay, write that participle spitting and state their function, that is gerund. You can write here gerund. Okay, next, a mother can never bear म्हणजे सहन करणे. Okay, bear to see her child crying. Okay, according to sentence meaning, crying is a present participle, and in this example it play a role or it functions as a gerund. You can write here crying and then write function is gerund. Okay, in this way you can pick out the present participles. Okay, first write that present participle from the sentence downside and then state the function of that present participle. That means you want to first pick out that present participle and then state their function. In this way we can easily solve this question related with present participle. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.